Being an independent music artist is a lot of hard work, and sometimes you feel like you're really fending for yourself. You feel like you have to be your own label, your own publisher, your own manager. You feel like you have to learn everything and be good at everything at the same time. Not only that, but everyone is trying to tell you how to do it. All of these different tactics, all of these different strategies for Instagram and different social media platforms. We've tried the odd thing here and there, but nothing is really played out. Nothing's really giving you traction with your music in the long run. This is why we created Unlock Your Sound. Unlock Your Sound is a collective of producers, songwriters, and engineers who help up-and-coming artists like you create and strategically release your music. When an artist comes to us, the first thing we do is we sit down and we commit to a release date, and we work backwards into a series of things that we have to execute on in order to give that release the best possible shot of succeeding. From there as well, we also advise on how to continue to promote your music and continue to grow your brand on and beyond the release date itself. So if it sounds like we're a good fit, it sounds like this is the sort of team that you need to work with, then feel free to fill out the project planner below and we'll be in touch to discuss your project further. Speak soon.